This is the box that the wig came in. I wasn't overly impressed with the packaging. It came with a hairnet, and then at the bottom it had the maintenance. These are your typical steps in customizing your wig. So I just bleached it. I didn't show myself plucking it, but I did pluck the hairline. So I did end up over bleaching it, but it's alright. Welcome back to my channel. It is Adele B, and today we're going to be installing a wig I recently got from Cranberry Hair. So I think today I'm going to be doing a bald cap method, and let's get right into it. So I'm using a knee-high stocking cap.
Master remark. Master remark. Master remark.
Y'all, so this is like my second time doing a bald cap. I could have short a little short right here, but we move. So now I'm going to put my foundation color on it. This is cute. A little baldy. I like it. I'm into it. So this side I just started cutting. I didn't glue it down on it or yet, but look at it. I think the GOT A NEW WIG messed me. So this is probably the way that I should have done it originally off rip, but it's all right.
Master remark. Master remark. Master remark. Master remark.
And today we're going to be talking about my new look. All right. So this hair is from Cranberry Hair on AliExpress. It is their straight unit. I usually don't really get straight units, so this is why I wanted to dabble a little. This is their 13x4 24-inch hair. I mean, I'll have it linked down below. I don't remember the where it's from, but yeah, I personally, the hair is all right. Like, it's a big okay. This is not the greatest hair that I've ever had, and it's not the worst. So basically what I did was I bleached the knots, I plucked the frontal. It did come, it's not a frontal, it's just a wig, a pre-made wig. It did come with pre-plucked. So I mean, I plucked, I didn't really have to. I didn't do much, but I plucked, okay? One thing I will say about this wig that I have never experienced with any other wig that I've bought is that the cap fits my head. I have a pea head, okay? Not a pea head, but it's small. I have a really small head, and the wig fit on my head. Like, there's no gapping in the back, and I think that's very important, especially with straight hair. When your wig is straight, you don't want gapping in the back because you're gonna see the gapping, and it's not cute. One thing I did notice about this wig is that it's thin. Like, looking at me now, it looks nice and, like, you know, natural looking. But if I turn around, you're gonna see like some tracks. I don't know if you guys can see it, but no, ma'am. That's not good. We left seeing tracks back in what, 2013, 2011? Way back when. We don't know. That's not what we're doing in 2020. So overall, this wig is, as I said, it's okay. What I rated out of 5, 2.5. Like, it's not good, it's not great, it's not bad. I like how I look, I like it, but in retrospect, if you want a wig that is, you won't be able to see your tracks, then maybe this is just a faulty wig. But yeah, I wasn't expecting it to look this good. So let me know what you guys think about this wig. So this is just a quick wig video, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I want you guys to comment, you know, the nail emoji? She got the pink nails. I want you guys to comment that emoji and tell me how you are feeling. I don't want to continue to give COVID the energy that it's demanding. But I know people are going through it. But let me know how you're feeling. If you're happy, sad, what are you doing right now to keep from being sad, I guess. But let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. How was that?